You are a human. You breathe. You think. You feel. But what does that mean? How do you know you exist? If everything is made of tiny particles, then what are you made of? Now, let's make it trickier. If you move your hand, what actually moves? What if reality is uncertain? This is what's on here. And welcome to the world of quantum physics. Quantum physics is the branch of science that studies the fundamental building blocks of the universe, particles so small that they behave in ways we can barely comprehend. Unlike the predictable world of classical physics, where objects move in straight lines and forces act in unexpected ways, the quantum world is strange, unpredictable, even paradoxical. Quantum physics challenges our understanding of reality. One of the most famous quantum experiments is the double slit experiment. When scientists shoot tiny particles like electrons or photons through two slits, something bizarre happens. If you observe them, they behave like particles passing through only one slit. But if you don't observe them, they behave like waves passing through both slits at the same time and creating an interference pattern. It's as if the act of looking changes the reality of the particles. This phenomenon is called wave-particle duality, suggesting that everything, even you, has both a particle-like and a wave-like nature. Imagine you flip a coin. It lands on heads or tails, right? But in the quantum world, things are different. A quantum particle doesn't choose one state until it is observed. Until then, it exists in superposition, both heads and tails at the same time. This is famously illustrated by Schrödinger's cat thought experiment, where a cat in a box is both alive and dead until you open the box to check. This idea sounds absurd, but it is fundamental to how the quantum world works. Now, imagine you take two particles and link them in a special way. No matter how far apart they move, they remain connected. If you change one, the other reacts instantly even if they are light years away. This is called quantum entanglement. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. And yet, it's real. Scientists have tested it, and it challenges our understanding of space, time, and information. Unlike classical physics, where we can precisely predict where something will be, quantum physics tells us we can only know probabilities. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that the more accurately we measure one property, like a particle's position, the less accurately we can measure another, like its speed. Reality, it seems, is not solid and fixed. It is a world of chances, where particles exist in multiple states until measured. You might think quantum physics is just weird theory, but it's not. It's used in real-world technology, like quantum computers, which can solve problems faster than classical computers. MRI machines, which use quantum mechanics to see inside the human body. Lasers and GPS, which rely on quantum principles. Cryptography, where quantum mechanics helps secure digital information. Without quantum physics, our modern world wouldn't exist as it does today. Even though quantum mechanics has been tested and proven, we still don't fully understand why it works the way it does. Does it mean reality is an illusion? Is consciousness linked to the quantum world? Could quantum physics hold the key to time travel or parallel universes? These are questions physicists are still trying to answer. But one thing is clear: our universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. And the deeper we look, the less certain we become. This is quantum physics, the science of the unknown, the science of reality itself. So, what do you think? Is reality real, or just an illusion of the quantum world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Until next time, keep questioning everything, because the answers might just change reality itself.